Snenhlanhla, Snenhlanhla, Snenhlanhla. Hey! Hey! How y'all doing?
Hi guys, welcome back to another video upload. For those who do not know me, Biyela in Isizulu, welcome to my channel. Today is Friday, the 24th of October, my birthday. It's my birthday. This vlog is gonna be a birthday vlog. Yeah, I just have a lot going on in my life right now. Like honestly, I'm not to move in a bill, honestly, bruh. I have a lot, and when I need to know if I can pass my have past 10 or 1, because later today, plans of the day, going to the crossing to buy flowers. I don't know if I'm gonna buy the cake because I need a cake, so it's pointless, but then it makes sense to like take pictures with the cake. But then it's into a job and I'm honestly not me, because I need a cake. Yeah, I'm gonna go there, and then I'm gonna have a picnic with somebody. I'm gonna have a picnic during the day, and then later today I am going out with my friends for dinner, and go 5-ish. I'm going to do my makeup, period, and then we go with my friends. So I just hope that everything goes according to plan. I'm going out with 5 of my friends. We're 6 in total. One is in Joburg. Melissa is in Joburg. She needs to come here. She needs to get here before 7 p.m. And then the other one, she's cancelling on me, and I cried. She has to make sure that she pulls through, because she said that she's not sure, but then she's gonna tell me during the day. If she doesn't, and I'm telling you that if she doesn't, she's no longer my friend, honestly. If I'll figure but yeah, guys, bengi Marina Mall to buy balloons, because picnic-ish, I wanna take pictures. Yeah, so yeah, let me show you my balloons. You guys are huge, like you guys are huge. We are in 1+ to buy balloons. Like I said, because I wanted to buy balloons when I was in KZN. I just wish I did, because now I have to buy a balloon in my phone, because I wanted to take pictures with other balloons about 22. But now I wanted the silver ones, and when I got there, like 1+, they had the gold ones, and the other ones were like 55 rand. They were pink. I'm not a fan of pink. They were pink and they were 55 rand. They're nice. I was gonna opt for them, but the name telling me balloon them in 55 rand. So I just took the gold one. So it's 2 and 2, 22, and then these ones. Hence why I wanted, because now I'm getting a card. Hence why I wanted the silver ones, because I'm selling silver. So I'm not so sure if it's low, like gold and other balloon, like and then I also got like the white ones. Yeah, and then I got Lenga, because I wanna put them on the ceiling. You get the vision, yeah. And then I got sellotape, and lastly I got the candles for the cake, of which it's so weird because I don't eat cake, but then I got the candles. That means I have to buy a cake, right? In as much as I'm not gonna eat the cake, but my friends will, and it makes sense. Or I don't. Masingisa restaurant for dinner, I ask for a dessert and stuff, and then I tell them to file into what's going on, guys. But yeah, I don't know. That's it. Yeah, guys, we're gonna spend the day. Okay, firstly, let me like run back to the clips when I was at home and show you guys the birthday maintenance, because I vlogged. Like I did my nails by His Grace. I vlogged for you guys. Did my hair, did my toenails as well. I also did my lashes. However, I took them down yesterday because my eyes were acting up on me yesterday. Literally, like I have eye problems now. Isizulu were failing me. Like literally, tears were coming down uncontrollably. So I just, and they were wet. So I just, well, I was supposed to buy lashes. I forgot, but yeah. Yeah, guys, let me run the clips to when I was at home doing my birthday maintenance and stuff. welcome back to another day. Today is Thursday. Today's Thursday. I'm going to do my hair. And yeah, guys, my sister has a business, my little sister, and she does these things, Snenhlanhla. Anyways, I'm going to do my hair. Is Auntie. I did my lashes yesterday and my nails and my toenails. I'm gonna show you guys when I come back, honestly. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to vlog la bag last I don't know, but see, yeah, let's go, guys. I'm already late. I'm already late. I'm wearing this top Nelo pants. It's windy, so I don't get the weight. I don't know if I should put on my jacket, but the thing is, Mina, when I came back here, I packed my jacket. I'm a cooler winter because I wanted a bandit. I didn't pack like those. I even left my leather jacket. I put leather in the fur, so you get me. So yeah, let's go to the saloon. I am on my way back to the saloon. I went home. I went home to go fetch my jacket. I'm not even halfway through. I don't even know what's in the group. But yeah, and it is extremely cold.
See me on way out of here to find this ass really got my ass. Bitch so pretty, look better. It's that walking on Susan, she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it over like this. Came out the color, ain't never made a swagger. Security bank. That BMG. Ass so fat. Ass so fat like.
Reasons why parents have made it. I also told her, yeah, I understand.
Damn.
Right?
Hey guys, it's currently 6 something, I don't know, 20 past 6, and I'm going to get my makeup done, munch, by my friend and stuff. Trust the process. Really. Holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream. You're here with me. Boy, you don't get no better than I wanna take my time. Ring high. Ngiyakwazi kuzo. Sibangela la leve. Uyiphathe kahle. Yes. Ngingabo uvala amathanga sisi. Yo ayandi yaphapha. Usalifuna izambane? Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Mama. Guys, we're done eating. Oh, I look so pretty. I love my friends so much. Oh, period.